All right, word equations. All right, you're going to need your ion chart, so if you don't have that, pause this video and get it, okay? So, these are equations written out in words, okay? And we're going to change it to formulas, okay? So we're going to take these words and make it a formula. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to use the ions from our ion chart, okay? So, sodium, right here. Sodium is a +1. So I'm going to write Na +1, right? Now I've got chloride, which you know is chlorine, and he's a -1. And I'm going to keep doing this all the way across lead. Where's lead? And it says lead 2 as opposed to lead 4. So I've got the lead +2, peanut butter lead. So Pb +2, and then here that ATE ending, that's my clue. We're up here in our polyatomics. So I've got nitrate, NO3, put that in parentheses with a -1 outside. Okay, now on the other side, notice these are all the same elements. Law of conservation of mass, same elements. They're just arranged differently. So this says I've got lead 2, Pb +2, that chloride ion, sodium, and the nitrate. I'm just going to rewrite them over here. I don't have to look them up again. All right, make sure your nitrate's in parentheses with the charge outside. Okay, now we're going to write formulas. What do? Swap and drop, right? So a +1 and a -1 cancel out. So I got NaCl. Add your plus signs. Leave a space to balance because you're going to balance these when you're done. Okay, I've got the -1 nitrate, the +1 lead. Where's that 2 going? Back behind the nitrate. So I've got PbNO3 2. Because what? The 1 goes there. 1 lead, 2 nitrate, because I need 2 -1s to cancel out that +2. Then what do I have? I've got my arrow. And it's producing what? Lead 2 chloride. So again, the 2's going there, the 1's going there, swap and drop, PbCl2 plus, leave a space to balance, a +1 and a -1. So I get sodium nitrate. Okay, and then you need to go back and balance them out. All right. All right, here, iron. Notice it just says iron. There's not iron +3. There's not iron +2. We're just talking about plain old iron off the periodic table, okay? No charge. When an element is by itself, it does not have a charge. So this is just the neutral elements from the periodic table. The ion chart, remember, that's when you've gained or lost electrons. All right, so here we just have iron, Fe, plus chlorine. Notice it says chlorine, not chloride. Chlorine, oops, we got chlorine, not chloride. So chlorine is by himself. But let's go up here. The diatomic elements, elements that do not exist alone in nature. They come in pairs. That's why di meaning 2. They come in pairs. We call it Brinkelhoff. Bromine, iodine, nitrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So chlorine's alone, he gets a 2. Produces iron 3. Now these guys are in a relationship. So there's where I need my charges. So this is telling me what iron? The +3 iron, because that 3 right there, the +3, and now who's he with? Chloride, Cl -1. Okay, so when you swap and drop, you get FeCl3, all right, and go back and balance, okay. When you get down here, notice number 5 is all words. When aluminum bromide reacts, so there's your plus sign, with chlorine gas, aluminum chloride, and bromine are produced. So here's where my arrow would go. All right, right there. Down here, I've got carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, okay? Those are covalent compounds, so I do not need an ion chart. Mono meaning 1, di meaning 2, okay? If you need help with those, let me know.